Now in this video, I'm going to take the different topics, how to find the radius of a circle, center of the circle, what is minor arc, what is major arc, what is a central angle, what is the difference between arc and the line segment, how they can be denoted, etc. one by one. Now I am going to discuss some elementary topics of the circle which we know before starting all the points. The point from where the circle is drawn is the center of the circle. Here the point A is the center of the circle. Now the second point, how will we specify the name of the circle? We take all the points which lies on the boundary of the circle in the name of the circle, that is FMER. Now what is the sector of the circle? Sector of the circle, here it is RMF. That means the 3 points on the circle which makes an angle after joining them. Now what is the arc of the circle? Here the ME is the arc of the circle, and generally arc is denoted to the power. We just make a round circle C on the top. Whenever we have to denote any line segment, we just draw a straight line on top of that, and whenever we have to write the angle, we just use the sign L before the 3 points. Now the next, what is the name given to the line segment MR? It is written on the point number 1. So these are the 2 points which you can see in the figure. They are passing from the center point A, and there are 2 different points at the circle, opposite sides of the circle. So MR is termed as diameter because it also passes with the point of center. Now second one, ME. These are also 2 points on the circle, and this is termed as chord as it does not pass through the center point A. Now what is AF, which is given asked in the point number 3. AF is the radius of the circle because one point lies on the circle, another point lies on the center of the circle. So this is the radius of the circle, which is also equal to the half of the diameter of the circle. Similarly, what is the name given to the point FM? FM is the chord of the circle as it joins 2 points on the circle, but it doesn't passes through the center of the circle. Now what is the inscribed angle and what is the central angle? When there are the 3 points on the circle and they also passes from the center of the angle, so when we join them and they form a sector type figure, then this is the central angle. We can see clearly in the figure FAR. The point F lies on the circle, point R lies on the circle, but point A, this is the center of the circle. So if we join all the 3 points FAR, so this is a type of the angle made in the circle on the center of the circle. So angle FAR is termed as central angle. Similarly, when we observe the fourth one, MAF, M and F both points are on the boundary of the circle and A is the center of the circle. So angle MAF is also the central angle. Now the remaining 2 angles, the first one, angle FME. Now F lies on the boundary of the circle, M also lies on this boundary of circle, and E also lies on the boundary of circle. But before FME there is a sign of angle. So this is an acute angle made by the 2 chords inside the circle. So this is the inscribed angle. So inscribed angle is the angle made by 2 chords inside the circle. Similarly, when we observe third one, angle RME, so we can easily observe that R, M and E, all the points lies on the boundary of the circle, and they constitute an inscribed angle. Now there are 3 types of arcs generally found in the circle: major arc, minor arc and intercepted arc. Mainly there are 3 types of arc. If the arc is made between 2 points and it constitutes a smaller part of the circle, then it is the minor arc. And if it constitutes a greater part of circle, then it is a major arc. As you can see in case of arc ME and the last one arc FER. In both the cases, in FER, when we observe, it constitutes the major portion of the circle, and in case of arc ME, it constitutes a minor part of the circle. So ME is the minor arc and FER is a major arc. Now what is the semicircle? It is also a type of arc, but it constitutes the half of the circle. So it is the semicircle. So arc MER constitute the semicircle because it is the arc between the 2 points which constitutes the diameter of the circle MER. So the portion MER, arc portion MER is the semicircle. Now what is the intercept arc? Intercept arc is the arc which is in between the arc which is formed due to the two chords of the circle, or you can say that if an arc comprised a inscribed angle. For example, in case of FMR, we can easily see that FMR is an inscribed angle made in the circle. So the arc constituting FMR makes an intercept arc. Similarly, when we see the case of the FR, it is also an intercept arc. Hope you like the video. Actually, this question is asked in a community and this is a very nice question. So I just take these points and make this video. If you like my Facebook page and YouTube channel, I am highly obliged and thankful to you. My YouTube channel link is www.youtube.com/c/Sonika Anand. Thank you for watching my video clip.